Hello, got a little something to show you here for all you DV users, your ViperAir users. You're not going to believe this. I don't. With a good pointer. Setting up a machine here for a new customer. This one here was done with no air at all. The creative space, just let it go. It did. That's what it did. I've got xTool air assist with the ViperAir2 dual tip nozzle on here. They point to the back. I did this in the creative space, and it starts back here and works forward. It made one hell of a mess. That's why people say don't use air assisted engraving. But even at that, it wasn't all that clean around the cutting parts. This one here is pretty much the same. I took it over into Lightburn and ran this Lightburn. I'm indexing back here, but it starts here in the front and goes to the back. So it's pushing trash off, not blowing trash back on the piece. Same nozzle, same air assist, same graphic. That's the difference in just which direction you go with the nozzle. Now I'm going to take this off and I'm going to put the original ViperAir on there with the two nozzles pointing forward, and try it again in the creative space with that, and it'll look just like that. So you want to use the Diva 2, the ViperAir 2, if you're working from front to back, because it'll push the trash out the back as you go. If you're working in creative space, you'd be better off going with the original ViperAir, the one that goes forward. If I need to, I'll make a dome version of the ViperAir, because I do like of the ViperAir 2, because I do like the dome and I do like how it keeps the lens clean. I've had people using these and they haven't had to clean up in their lens area since they put it on. And others are playing hell with it. So it's still a learning game. We're still working on it, but I mean, that last one there is gorgeous. Same equipment, same everything. I didn't change. I didn't readjust the focus to head. I didn't do anything. I didn't even turn the air assist off. All I did was change programs. I had to turn it off, turn it back on so it would work with Lightburn. And that's it. There's no magic going on here. I'm gonna, I don't think it went all the way through. No. And you can see I'm working on the cookie sheet, so I'm using the expensive stuff for this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and have it do another couple rounds to get that thing cut off there. I want to see how clean the edges are. Air assist is still blowing. Yeah, some lucky couple's getting this one. I'm setting up the computers and everything. All I'm going to have to do is take it home, plug it up, hit the button. Oh, look at the difference. And it drops, so stop it. Look at how nice and tan that is inside that cut line. It's not all burny black. Matter of fact, just something white. White. That's the back side. Those didn't even make it through. I don't see anything on that right. Yeah. Try that. There's a piece. I mean, look how nice and that's tan. It's not all burnt. This was at 98 8 for speed, 8 MMS, and I only use 90 for the tire. Look at that. But let's wipe it on here. Please tell me you can do that with anything else. But at the same time, that same nozzle made this mess here. It's got a clean line over. I mean, it just made a mess of it. And that was running. The tips on the nozzle are pointed backwards, and this thing came from the back from the front, so the whole time it was pushing its trash back on top of the on top of the finished graphic, whereas this one started in the front and pushed the trash to the back as it went and left a clean graphic behind it. That's all the difference there was between the two pieces, and that's the difference it makes. That had me nervous. Made me wondering what the heck I had done here. But that should fix a lot of people's problems. That's the direction you go. Thanks for watching.